Wanji? Rema Kayimba cha.
Become kind of vibe yako.
Wanji? Kankwe Mike.
There's a song Mr. Lee wrote for me, bakaita Dr. Ali. Twali mu studio ngankairo kayimba ndoza ku Rema. Dr. Hamza.
Go ayimbira Hamza Kayi. Spicy.
That was a hit.
How about Kakole remix?
Baby Jamondabe. That was a different vibe. Baby Jamondabe. Mwano Jamondabe. Why don't you touch my body? That was nice too.
Thank you so much, Rema.
It's okay, I want to. That was Spice Diana. Thank you so much. Mama Spice Gadgets. Abayimbe Mwena. Thank you so much for sponsors. Muy bad. Spice. Jana muita baby girl because Spice are real. Emikwano gy'abayimbi giba mizibu. I for one, sije nine mingi. It's rare. Ndwawo gamba nti osanze nti ndine kumbi sibalinaako buzibu. Naye omuntu asobola okugamba nti I think you need this kind of photographer to bring out this. I think you need this. Like, totally selfish. Yeah. Kuba ngabwe bagambe nti waliwo ayogedde awo nasooka agamba generations ziyinza okubazawukanamu a little bit, you know. Mulimu ebintu by'oba totwalanga by'amaanyi. You're like, I'll use my phone to take a picture. Kiba kimala, you know. And then she'll tell you, the first photographer gwe nafuna ng'antambula naye, I think Spicy yamunfunira. Like, you know, you need a photographer, no server contacts, she's not selfish, she'll call that person, aba connecting it. Totally selfish. Atenge ekyo kimanyiddwa nnyo mu bakyala, you know. But Spice, thank you for being real. Totally regular. Ate bambi kaagaliza ndozera kyekimu kuba selfish. N'ekirala, in this industry ng'omukyala, as a young woman, young lady nga Spice, aopeninze nnyo amaaso ebintu bingi nnyo. Mulimu ebintu abasinga abayimbi wano bali bateefiirako, you know, like how you dress, how to, you know, ayongeddemu nga omuyita nti she's a star girl. Ayongeddemu. Ekintu akyongeddemu and then you're like, ooh, you know, not like an industry ekula. I'm telling you, we should be grateful for Spice Diana. You know, industry yeyongeddemu ko there's that, yeah, what is it called? She's always coming up with something new. Yes, showbiz, you know, she has branded herself so well. You know, not only that, Omiyimbi is not all about singing, going on stage, making that money, go back home and sleep. You have to think of other things as well. Yeah? So, nze sijja kukwekereza wamma. Tukulabirako, yadde tuli bakulubo. Okitegeera, there's some things we see, no gamba, akaana kano, nze kaita akaana ako. I don't know if it upsets you, but I feel like, akaana kano kalabi, you know, ne kakupa ekifaananyi nga kya ttabu, nga ne Beyonce tannakifuluma. Just saying, honestly, you know, I'm here because I'm grateful. You're real. Webali kugatta abayimbi abasinga obagatta. I don't know how we do that. Abantu abasinga bakolagana naawe in ways of, you know, they come to your home, they are close to you. It's not easy. It's not easy. Abayimbi tulina obuyisa bwaffe. Buli omu alina obuyisa bwe. But okugatta abantu in one place, it means a lot. It says a lot about you. So come 10 January. We're ready to support you, baby girl. I have my table one, you know, yeah. Kubanze ne concert yange, when I was getting my costumes ready, she was part of the costume team. So Spice, thank you for being who you are. Mukama judge kubalira kyonna ky'oba osabye. Kale bane mwebale.